Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to create your account on Ihappy dating application. So first of all you need to open your app, then you have to tap here. You can see like it's the first impression. Hi, select your gender first and type your name here, then tap on the button done and give your race here, tap done. And you have to choose your location. So this time I'm just going to choose. And then when you choose your location, then say something about yourself. So tap here the forward. So you have no photos. You have to upload photos first. Nobody will see you without photo. Upload a photo to start dating. So here you can see this is the interface. So this way you can create your account. It's really simple. You don't need any Gmail account, but you can do it later, but this time no. So today's no man. See you the next video.